Hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I will be doing a mukbang of some Louisiana chicken. I got 4 wings, 10 gizzards, and some fries on the side. They also gave me some Fanta pineapple, but I didn't want to drink it because I'm not really a fan of that right now. And that's the only thing that seems like they had available that I liked a little, but yeah. And I also have a ginger ale. Some of it. Excuse me. Crap. Oh yeah, and I also had some jalapenos. I thought they was gonna give me some on the side, but they didn't. So yeah, I just ended up getting my own dang jalapenos. The heck? Okay. Really hard. Up here is how my wings are looking now. And it's really fried hard gizzards. Okay. Wasn't a fan of it. Dang. 9 years later, still chewing. It doesn't taste like they had the old cooks in there. In the kitchen, at least, that day, or whatever today. Some parts really had spice on it, and the other parts really didn't, which is weird. I'm just gonna take a little hot sauce. Yeah, that part is good. I think I'm just tripping, I don't know. I know I'm freaking cold now. It seemed like the temperature dropped that quick. Like from October to now, it's already 50 degrees outside. But I don't feel like getting up right now. Hey. Chicken is actually hitting there. On the first one, it really didn't taste like it was seasoned until I actually got a spot that was actually seasoned. Yeah. It's even good without the hot sauce. It's somewhat greasy, but it's actually good. My allergies starting to act up the head. Hot. Good. I'm done. I'm full. I eat this for breakfast or something tomorrow, but I'm officially done. Some more fries. Let's go fry. Dang, jalapeno burnt my lips. Dang. really feel like my lips fall on the ground. Oh, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out of here. My lips are about to fall off. Please like, share, subscribe if you actually like this video. Comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your night. Or, yeah, have a great rest of your day, night, whatever I'm at.